It would be good if we could wear this kind of cheap and ready-made kimono. But there is a problem. The problem with the brown kimono is that you cannot directly wear this kimono because it doesn't soak sweat. You may directly wear shirts from Uniqlo that soaks sweat, like airism. That kind of fabric hasn't come into kimono industry yet. Sorry, my effort isn't enough. It would be good if we tailored that kind of fabric. But so far there is no such fabric as you can directly wear it and soak your sweat cheaply in kimono industry. Some Juban underwear is made of such fabric. But as long as I know, there is no such fabric on kimono. So, in case of this cheap polyester kimono, you have to wear juban so that you can soak sweat, and then you wear kimono. If you do so, it's very hot in summer. It's really hot in these 10 years. Nowadays we cannot wear juban from May to October anymore. Of course it's comfortable to be in an air-conditioned room, but there should be many occasions where you have to go out. Even if you're home, there's a air-conditioned room and non-air-conditioned room, and you cannot necessarily feel comfortable always. Even if you go out to town, it's hot on the way. If we have to make an effort to wear it, we cannot feel free together. About this gray yukata's problem. This is yukata. Of course this is for summer and it's cool, so you can feel free to wear it. Beginners should start with this kind of yukata. But the problem of course is that it's cold in winter. And this is yukata, and it's weird to wear juban with this yukata. You would look weird even if you don't feel cold. The difference between kimono and yukata is color on the neck. You can tell that this person wears this yukata as kimono today if you see color on the neck. But in case of this yukata with the fabric pattern color, if this person wears this yukata as kimono, it would be weird. And one more problem of this yukata is that this may be because this yukata was made as yukata. The length of yukata is a little short. I mean, the hem is a little short. So I don't strongly recommend this kind of ready-made yukata. It's really good to wear this as yukata for fireworks festival. It goes well with geta, so you can see the ankle. I'm going to show you the example like this. Generally, we wear yukata with this length. You can see the ankle, and you wear geta. You can see the foot like this. If you wear obi belt, the hem rises up. The more you walk, the more the hem comes up in an event like fireworks. If the length is short, the impression would be like cool and energetic. If the length is long, the impression would be chic and mature. I myself prefer longer yukata, so the ankle is hidden. It was like that. Well, if you want to make the impression mature, you may want to make the hem longer. It's the same as trouser in Western fashion, isn't it? But it's cool to show the ankle. But if you show the shin, the impression is a little childish. It's like that. It's similar. So, if it's long, it's chic. If it's short, it's energetic. I'm 39 years old. I'm already an adult, and I would like to make my impression to the people mature. I would like to make the yukata longer, but in case of 4,000 yen yukata, I cannot control the length of yukata. It's the same as the length of the sleeves. I choose LL or L size of yukata because my height is 178 centimeters. By choosing the correct size, I can solve the problem of the size. So, do you think I should purchase 3L size? But in this case, the width increases. The impression is gonna be like this. This yukata is what I tailored for my own size. This yukata fits my body. But if I purchase 3L size, it will look too wide and too big, too baggy. If I'm exaggerating it, it will look like this. The color will be loose. Too much fabric gathers on the back. The impression is baggy. So, ready-made yukata or kimono doesn't necessarily match your body. Finally, I'd like to talk about the main topic that we sew kimono on our own. But to be continued. See you again.